So welcome everyone for today's and tomorrow's session of Asteroid Search training. This is a special training session, collaboratively done by PABD and Nepal Astronomical Society NASO, and we are very thrilled to have you on board to learn how to hunt for asteroids, to protect our planet Earth. So I will have a small presentation, but before that, I would like to I am informed that there are officials from PABD as well, so I would like to welcome the Vice President Haji Abdul Aziz to this program today, and Quam, and as far as I inform, let me see, Bajila. So Vice President to share a few words before we start our training today. Welcome, Vice President, to this training today.
Alhamdulillah. Hello, Mr. Suresh. Huh?
Yes.
I'm not seeing your face. Is it okay?
Yeah. Because I'm just switching my camera off.
MashaAllah. Okay, never mind. Okay, it's okay. Okay, I would like to give a few words for our participants in Brunei Darussalam. So, Alhamdulillah, with this effort, especially to Mr. Hazari and Bazira also, and other members. Okay, I will give some welcoming speech for this workshop. Alhamdulillah, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wassalamualaikum huda. Good evening. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil mursalin Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi washabihi ajma'in. I hope everybody listen clear my voice and it's okay. Our respected Mr. Suresh Bhattarai, Chairman of Nepal Astronomical Society, NASO, notable Mr. Hazari bin Jali Ahmad, Secretary General of the Astronomical Society of Brunei Darussalam, PABD, my fellow executive members, Executive Committee of PABD, distinguished participants, our energetic NASO mentors, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me a great pleasure to welcome all of you to this evening first asteroid hunting workshop jointly organized by the Nepal Astronomical Society, NASO, and Astronomical Society of Brunei Darussalam, PABD. Personally, thank you, NASO, for your continuous support. This session is our first fundamental step in our long partnership in OU journey. This workshop will provide us not only essential knowledge in searching space rocks, but also a great opportunity to share experiences and success stories of Nepal's quest in asteroid discoveries from our facilitator and young mentors. We hope that everyone will gain new insights, knowledge, and skills in your most loved passion, astronomy. Now, PABD is gearing for another biggest national campaign in asteroid hunting under the guidance of our dear Nepal family NASO, in particular Mr. Suresh, and the International Astronomical Search Collaboration, IASC, in August. In August last month, we are very lucky that 3 of PABD members, Mr. Kawim, Mr. Soni, and Mr. Hazari, were trained by NASO, and now they are involved in Nepal campaign. In October, we will see them in the first Brunei's participation in the International Asteroid Search campaign. We are so fortunate that after discussion with NASO, all PABD participants today will have the chance to test real asteroid hunting in October campaign next month by NASO. Thank you, Mr. Suresh, for giving this opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, we are targeting, inshallah, the first all Brunei Darussalam asteroid search campaign to be launched in early next year, January 2022. And this two-day training will be your bridge in your road of searching your first asteroid. After this training, I hope that you will encourage more of family members, your little brother and sister, and friends. We join our Brunei Search campaign that will run annually starting next year, inshallah. I would like to announce a good news to all of you that all of you will be in the first group to represent 10 Bruneian teams in our asteroid search campaign in collaboration with IASC, which is expected in February, March 2022. Finally, I wish to thank our partner, NASO, for making this brilliant training happening. I would also like to take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to our project team management, Basila and team, for your great effort in planning to ensure the successful implementation of our citizen science program. Most importantly, to all participants, it will be a very long 6 hours of hard work to learn in this course, but will pay off forever. I am proud that you are our first Brunei's asteroid hunters. So please enjoy tonight's workshop. We hope for dozens of new asteroid discoveries soon and unlock your personal achievement and make proud of our beloved country, Brunei Darussalam. So good luck and happy hunting. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Thank you, Vice President, for this